boy.
Right there. Chug it.
So you guys, the objective, get that flag tower base.
Okay,
Wait,
go.
time out.
Just get out of the
Listen.
base.
And then after that, we do free for all.
AJ, make sure the doors are closed.
Go.
Yeah,
Go back to your base. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. It looks like it snows. Alright, guys. No. You have to get a flag to their base. How about you guys capture a flag? Oh my gosh, he's trying to shoot us.
I think it's Nerf. I think that's the whole point.
Yeah, guess what? I got the sleep fire. I'll use gun. Yeah.
But why?
Oh crap. Missed.
You were shy.
Wow. Now I'm shot. What? That was Jesus. Okay, guys, this is crazy. Look at my gun. Yeah, gunshots don't count. Good job.
Come on.
Oh, there's no bombs in there.
Yeah, there are.
Go. Distracting the camera. I'm high.
What did you take this morning?
5,000. Oh.
I hit you in the head, bro.
I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, move over.
Woo!
That's right. Ah!
He's coming.
Oh, you missed. Damn, door. Bing, bing, bing,
Daniel.
Down, back again with the white bodies.
What are you doing?
I got him.
You got me in the hood. Don't cuss my mouth. In the hood. Ow. That's right. I got this. You know what? I'm in your hood. In your hood. Yeah.
We're out of ammo. Wait, we have 1 bullet left.
Guys, it's grenade launcher time. Move, please. Nerf. This is Nerf for. Mega time. We use a mega. Let's go. Don't shoot. They need bullets. Hold your fire. I'm gonna shoot them. Actually, you know what? You shoot them? No. You know what? This flag. Get there. You vote right. Go. Jacket. Get the flag. Shoot me. I dare you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You win. You win.
We win!
Alright, fine. Now it's free for all.
No, fine.
Alright, take
Alright,
down the bases.
We win! No, the base stay here. Don't take it.
What about
guys?
free for all?
We win.
We need
Our
ammo.
team versus us. 2 9-year-olds versus 2 12-year-olds. And we win. And the 9-year-olds win. See you guys later. That wasn't even a long video, so it doesn't matter.
Alright, ready? 2 guns per person.
Okay, I call it a minigun.
Of course you do. I called it a demolisher.
Oh,
What's
crap.
that?
Hey, stop shooting.
In the mega. I also call it mega.
Ow.
But you're still going. Put your hands up. Right there was possible. Put your hands up. You know my thing's still going. You're not fighting.
Time out. Hold on, where's the 20 clip? Oh, here it is.
It's Freddy Krueger.
Debs,
Hey, no 25.
this isn't 25.
Better not.
This is only 20.
And you're Freddy Krueger.
Stop.
I don't even have any bullets. Hey, my mega! I was gonna use the mega.
No, I haven't.
Okay.
No. Mason, just give it to me.
It's fine. I don't know what else gonna make you so.
See, AJ, things work out.
That's how you work out in England.
Well, where's the...
What?
Hello, governor.
But Ryan!
Pocket to sit down with the white vans.
AJ, that's the This is not how to make a good deal.
Dude,
This is
you
how
got
you
the
make
bow
a
and
deal.
arrow.
This is not a good deal.
I need some
Okay.
ammo.
There's only Dawson here.
That? Oh, I know. John has the rest.
Hold on, where are the last two, please?
He has them.
Yeah, we could hold 3. Ooh. Boats.
All right.
I like boats. I like boats. Leave the bases here. We could use them to take cover.
All right, fine. But it's free for all, FYI.
Oh, can you make alliances? Yes.
No, because then it'll be unfair. It's gonna be obvious. Me and Mason are gonna be the one.
That's true. Free for all. I'm using this, right, Ryan? Using the
Alright,
shotgun.
you can make alliances, but it
No.
can't be with people that you worked with last time.
This one? This Costco?
I know.
This
Alright.
one?
No alliances at
Oh,
all,
that one.
actually.
You can have 2, I said. So you can hold this on your strap, on it. You want this one? Ryan, want this one? It's gonna be like COD. You have 2 guns. Which ones do you want? You have one that and another gun. Well, oh, okay. We're thirsty. Which one? I have the sour thing. Oh yeah. I'm using 2 DC guns.
Proceed on.
No teaming up then.
I know. No. 2 guns per person,
2,
unless you don't really want to.
3, 4, 5,
Alright. Rules are you get
6,
shot twice.
7,
If you get shot twice, then you get down. But headshot and chest,
9.
chest shot is instant kill.
Headshot and chest shot.
Yeah.
Yeah, headshot.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Mother, I don't want to do it. Sweetie, you'll get your monthly allowance.
Ow.
Cut it that hurt.
Never hurt that much. It gave me
Done.
a concussion. No, I saw this post and then, like on Instagram, and then this guy was smoking a virgin. And then he just did like back in 1927.
There's a few bullets back in our boots. Can I have 5 green
No,
ones?
and then
No.
and then
Oh.
as he's
Taken.
smoking it.
Can I have 4 bullets? I mean 3?
AJ.
Taken.
Just 3 bullets.
AJ.
Ryan,
Yeah.
wait, Ryan
As
needs to
he's
fill,
smoking,
choose his
like,
gun.
Back in 19.
Hold on, Ryan needs some ammo too. You have all that ammo, it's not
Fine.
fair. You have a 20 clip.
Yeah, you're probably gonna. You have 20 for the.
12? Now we have a little bit. The minigun only takes that ammo, so it's fair.
So what? So I'm only supposed to get 1 gun?
No, Ryan needs some other guns too. He only has that one.
I don't need any more.
Okay, then take your bullets you need.
We need to like separate. We need to make more bases then.
No, it doesn't matter. It's just like you could take cover here and there and everywhere.
No, but it's because you might have just. They're too big.
Ryan, you sure you're just gonna have. Oh no, look. It's fine.
I got this.
I got it.
One bolt, that's all.
No. This one?
We should put one of the. John,
Jimmy.
John,
Yeah.
listen to me. Because you see this. This is like only a small space.
True.
So we need to like put something maybe here.
Yeah, you're right, you're right.
Right here.
Just hold them in your pocket.
And then there'll be random guns around, so you could change. So just put guns like everywhere.
Alright, here you go. Alright, I need a camera stand though. This box is my camera stand.
Alright. And then we gotta clear up a path.
Me and Ryan have a camera stand. Need a head camera. So, but when you have the vice shield, you could only have a knife and like a jolt. You could. So this is what happens. When you have the vice shield, you can only have this or a jolt like that one, and a knife. But you can't have like a big gun like the Mega, that one. AJ's other gun that he really likes, the Maverick or something. What's it called? The Lennon gun. This one. What's it called? The hammer shot. Can't have it in my shield like that. No, the minigun is when you get 20 kills. You use the minigun when you get 20 kills.
In a row or like
In
kill streak? Like what? What do you want to do?
not
Kill
kill
streak.
streak. Yeah, 20 kill streak. No, only 10 kill streak. 'Cause that's pretty hard. Yeah, but that's a good
Why do you have a laser pointer?
Not that, but oh, that's mine. It's like a flashlight slash laser pointer. But I'm not going to probably use it. So it doesn't really matter. Oh, fine. There's a bullet right here someone could use. I'm probably just gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it. It's like, oh, the bone arrow. There's like no arrows for that. Or something.
Yeah, there's no arrows missing.
Don't worry, I got this, man.
What are you doing?
I'll use the feet of little infants as my ammunition.
Let's use this. This sucky one. AJ made.
Be quiet. Dude, that's actually pretty good.
Don't break that thing, because
Wait.
they break easily.
Oh yeah, don't break that actually. Actually, Mason, just don't use it. You can use the other bow.
But yeah, you can use this one.
No, that one.
You pull it back. This one. Woo!
Everyone, find a different section to spawn.
And it's like a whistle. It really hurts though. Oh, this is my gun.
Whoa, I like it. I have a real bow and I'm accurate with it, so beware.
You could capture people hostage. You could like take them and,
Yeah, you can take people's house.
and then the only way they could get out is one way. And you could take the guns. Like that. But then, yeah, if that happens.
But I think I would already shoot you.
Yeah, to be honest with you. I'll be like, and there's
My
like
two
one
weapons of
animation.
choice. Right here.
This gun, no one takes it. Where are you hiding? Right here?
Two.
I'm hiding where the camera's on.
Shoot.
I'm cameraman.
Here's two.
Okay.
I know, I want to hide
bullets.
here. My camera's right there, but
Yeah.
what else am I going to hide now?
Oh yeah, that's true.
You could hide down there also.
What you can
What am I going to
Or
vlog?
hide right here.
Oh, here, I got it.
Good idea.
Alright, here's the thing. Someone hides in this area.